Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to hide photos on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, by knowing how to hide photos on their device through features like password-protected folders, hidden albums, or third-party apps, users can safeguard their privacy, protect sensitive image, maintain security, and control access to their personal photo collections. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To initiate the process, first access your gallery and select the photo you wish to hide. Next, click on the three dots located at the top of the screen, then choose the option to move to secure folder. Proceed by clicking continue and wait for the creation process to complete. After the process is finished, you can set the lock type for your secure folder as per your preference. And you have now successfully moved the photo to the secure folder. And to access it, exit the current application and open the app drawer on your device. Locate the secure folder app and tap on it. Then select the gallery to view the hidden photo. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to hide photos on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.